हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today topic is progress in health in India. After the implementation of economic planning, a lot of progress has been made in health service in India after independence. A national strategy focused on digital health, nutrition, and other high impact intervention has drastically improved health outcomes across India. But more work remains to be done. India has entered a new era in public health during the past 10 years. Improvement across the spectrum of the health and development, average life expectancy has risen steadily from 64 years to 68 years between 2005 to 2015. But we must continue to build up on this progress. India is still ranked 154 fourth out of 195 country in terms of quality and accessibility of healthcare. Plenty of work remains ahead of us. Together, we have achieved tremendous positive change. India has been polio-free since 2014 in a country of 1.2 billion people. This is a big deal. We have also been free of tetanus since 2015 and have set a strict target for the elimination of malaria, TB in the coming year. While we still represent a large percentage of global burden for this disease, we have made significant progress. The Swachh Bharat Abhiyan or Clean India movement has provided a big push in the right direction to reduce the spread of communicable disease. As recently as 2014, 65% of our population defected in the open, and now the number is down to 20%. This shows how quickly progress can take roots when communities and government leaders work together, and how it will have the huge impact of health going forward. As communicable disease trend downward, we have seen new challenges emerge around non-communicable disease like hypertension, diabetes, stroke, and cancer, etc. These diseases impact the rich in India as much they impact the poor. But most poor people don't have the resources to combat disease like cancers. Our public health system is not great toward non-communicable disease. So far, India as a country, the challenge going forward is to focus on prevention, support, and awareness. We are now starting to think beyond the primary health and toward universal health coverage. coupled with the emphasis on the preventive cares. This shift will increase all around wellness. The National Health Mission, the result of 2013 merge between the National Urban Health Mission and the National Rural Health Mission, is a prominent example. The program primarily focuses on the disease control and prevention and surveillance, and it has already made huge impact of our healthcare system. National mortality rates has improved markedly, dropped from 57 deaths per thousand live birth to 37 2005 to 2015. After the significant progress of last few years, 70% of Indian population now access to subsidized foods path has looking the massive potential effort fortifications and the currently working with the government reach 450,000 school children each day in the Karnataka state. Over the coming decades, India plans to introduce fortified foods two-thirds of the country via National Food Security Act, which will dramatically reduce anemia and childhood stunting. Thank you.